This lecture is on predicting products with the activity series. Oxidation is defined as a loss of electrons. An example is a sodium atom converting to form a sodium ion with 1 electron produced. Reduction is defined as a gain of electrons. An example is a copper 2 ion plus 2 electrons forming a copper atom. The activity series provide a list of the easiness of the metals losing electrons to form its corresponding cation. The closer the metal is to the top, the better it will lose electrons to form its cation by oxidation. The further down the metal is towards the bottom, the more likely it will not undergo oxidation in losing electrons to form its cation. The element shaded here can produce H2 from cold water, hot water, or acid. The element shaded here can produce H2 from hot water or acid. The element shaded here can produce H2 from acid. The element shaded here cannot produce H2 from cold water, hot water, or acid. Example 1 is NiBr2 plus Fe. Will this reaction occur? Yes, a reaction will occur where it will produce FeBr2 and Ni. Fe is slightly higher in reactivity than Ni. Example 2 is CuBr2 plus Au. Will this reaction occur? No reaction occurs because Au is lowest in reactivity, and thus it will not displace Cu or any metal listed. Example 3 is Ni plus H2O gas. Will this reaction occur? No reaction occurs because although Ni is above hydrogen, Ni only can produce hydrogen gas by reacting with an acid. Water is not strong enough to drive the system forward to produce hydrogen gas. Here is the activity series for the halogen family. The key is if the free metal is more active than the nonmetal in the compound. If so, then the reaction will occur, and if not, then no reaction will occur. Let's look at some examples. Example 1 is NaI plus Cl2. Will this reaction occur? Yes, a reaction occurs because the products formed are NaCl and I2. You see, Cl2 is more reactive than I2. Example 2 is KBr plus I2. Will this reaction occur? No reaction occurs because I2 is lower in reactivity than Br2. It is important that when predicting if a reaction will occur or not, the free element must be more active than the element in the compound. If so, a chemical reaction will occur. The element can be between 2 metals or 2 nonmetals. Please spend time practicing other examples.